Welcome back to DRXAutomobi. While Nissan's global lineup has been playing it safe, their division in China just dropped a bombshell. This is the 2026 Nissan NX8, and it officially started mass production yesterday. This isn't just another crossover. It's the third member of Nissan's high-tech on series, following the N6 and N7 sedans. Visually, the NX8 is an evolution of the V-Motion language, but with a futuristic twist. It features a massive 2.4-meter long LED halo light strip across the front and a staggering OLED taillight panel in the back composed of over 2,000 individual lighting units. At nearly 5 meters long, it's a mid to a large SUV that effectively offers a high-tech alternative to the Pathfinder. But the real story is under the floor. The NX8 is the first Nissan SUV to feature an 800-volt high-voltage platform. In the world of EVs, that's the gold standard. Combined with CATL's 5C ultra-fast charging technology, this beast can reclaim 186 miles of range in just 5 minutes. That's basically the time it takes to clean your windshield. You have 2 ways to go: a pure BEV version with up to 335 horsepower, or the EREV extended range version. The EREV uses a 1.5-liter turbo engine solely as a generator, feeding a 261 horsepower motor to eliminate range anxiety entirely, offering a combined distance of over 620 miles. Step inside, and it's clear Nissan is chasing luxury. The cabin follows a large sofa philosophy, featuring the brand's most comfortable seating to date, with a rear seat space utilization rate of 83%. The dashboard is dominated by a clean dual-screen layout and an augmented reality head-up display. And for those who want to let the car take the lead, the NX8 comes equipped with a roof-mounted LiDAR sensor, enabling navigate on Autopilot for both highways and complex urban streets. Starting in the mid-$40,000 range, the 2026 Nissan NX8 is the most advanced vehicle to ever wear a Nissan badge. Don't forget to like and subscribe to DRXAutomobi as we wait for news on when this series will finally make its way to North America and Europe.